Good morning. Today is week 5, day 3, and we're gonna learn something about odd and even numbers, and something that we can do to even numbers, but not to odd numbers. Let's see. So, which numbers are odd and which numbers are even? 1 is odd. 2 is even. 3 is odd. 4 is even. 5 is odd. 6 is even. 7 is odd. 8 is even. 9 is odd. 10 is even. Let's see what we can do to number 10 and not to number 9. Two groups of 5, also 5 groups of 2. With 9, we make one group of 5, and then we have 4 left over. Or we can also make 4 groups of 2, but then we have 1 left over. Let's see if the same thing happens to the other odd and even numbers. So now we have even number 8 and odd number 7. Out of number 8, we can make 2 groups of 4 or 4 groups of 2. Out of number 7, we can make one group of 4, and then we have 3 left over. Or we can also make 3 groups of 2, but then we have 1 left over. So we could keep doing the same to all the other even and odd numbers, but I'm not going to do it. You should do it at home. Get your pennies, whatever you have, and do the groups. The point is that when we make groups of 2 or break the whole number in 2 big groups, the groups must be even. That's why they call them even numbers. If there are leftovers, then you don't call them even. Now you call them odd. In your packet, you have this number. Look at the array. What number do you have there? 12. Can you make equal groups like we just did with the seeds in the video? If you can do equal, even groups, then the number is even. If there are leftovers, then the number is odd. Go ahead and fill in the blanks by yourself. This is the next problem in your packet. 2 rows of 7. Do that array, 2 rows of 7. 2 rows of 7 is the same as 2 groups of 7. So is the number even or odd? Practice at home with your coins or whatever you have to make arrays and do even and odd numbers the way I did today in the video. The last part in your packet today is the problem set. You have 2 problems. In the first one, you're going to draw an array with 2 rows of 3. 2 rows of 3 is the same as 2 groups of 3. So that number should be even. And the last one is 2 rows of 4. 2 rows of 4 is 2 groups of 4 without any leftovers. So that should be an even number as well. Fill in the blanks very carefully, and I'll see you tomorrow.